In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a hard drive from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your external drive so that you can transfer any sort of game saves or game data from your PlayStation 4 to a PlayStation 5. So let's say, for example, you are playing Minecraft and you have some worlds that you would like to save, but you don't have access to PlayStation Plus, or you simply prefer not to use the cloud. Then follow the instructions in this video. To start, go into the settings and access the devices category. Inside of devices, go into USB storage devices. Now, of course, make sure that your storage device is plugged into your PlayStation 4 through any of the available USB ports, either on the front, the back, and so on. Once you have it connected, select it from the list, and upon selecting your storage device, it is recommended to format it as an extended storage. This will change the format of the external storage device to the PlayStation 4 format, which is used between both consoles. So after it is formatted, you can now transfer over your game saves. They can be found under the storage option. So after you are done with the formatting process, go back into the settings and access storage. Inside of storage, you will see your extended storage here, and your main games and saves, anything that you have on your PlayStation 4 should be under system storage. So choose this option first, and we will be transferring the data into the extended storage. So choose system storage to begin, go into applications, or choose any of the other options related to what you want to transfer. And now you can choose which data you want to transfer. So if you go into applications, for example, you will see your games. So GTA 5, Call of Duty, and so on. You can select any of these to see the details, including the option to move. So you just tick which items you want to move over to the extended storage device. And once you have all of them selected, you can go ahead and choose the move option. This will take a while, so give it some minutes. And once this whole process is finished, then you can go back into the storage device settings and stop using this extended storage device. With this done, it is now safe to remove the USB storage device, and you can now plug it into your PlayStation 5. Make sure that you use the rear USB ports on the PlayStation 5. And by doing this, all of the games and all of the data that you transferred to the drive will be accessible on the PlayStation 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer hard drive from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.